Hey guys, let's talk about this Trucozie Air Purifier. I got this from a seller as a gift so I can review and test it out. And when I'm brushing my pet, the idea is that this device can filter everything out and I can have pure air coming here from the top, all right? It also works with smoke and dust and pollen, so you can just filter everything out and see the results here. For example, right now the quality is very good. You see by the color and also by the numbers. You can also check when the air quality is good, moderate, or bad. So this keeps changing. When I turn it off here, see for example, that's off right now. I just press a button here and you see that has different colors. It's testing the system right now, also testing the air quality. There's a sensor in the back to test everything. And from here, you can control just pressing these sensitive buttons, or you can use an app like I have here, right? This app that I can control everything from here. Super good, okay? So you see, after some time, it comes here and shows the air quality, which is very good right now. And then I can just start using. Super easy. You just need to unbox. It comes well protected in a box. You just remove it from there, and then you also remove the plastic from the filter because it comes well protected there as well. You just remove the plastic and put it here in front and start using, right? Let me just show you here. When I open the lid, it's pretty easy. It's a magnetic lid. You just open like this, and here's the filter. You see that I have some pet hair right here because it's filtering everything out. Here there's this tab that I can pull the filter out, super easy. And this filter here works in 3 stages, right? So I have here, let me just show you that you can pull this out, for example. You have the first stage just right here, and then a HEPA filter, all right? And then here on the back, you also have this one. So super good. I usually remove this one as well to clean it up with a vacuum cleaner, a portable vacuum cleaner. Just remove this, put on a desk, and start cleaning everything before bringing back here to this device. So super good. You see here the fan on the back that pulls the air and filter everything, right? Super good. Just put this back into place, just like so, and then close the lid here super easily. It's a magnetic one. Just do this and you're good to go. Okay, here there are the inlets, so the air comes here and here in the side as well, here in the bottom, and just filter everything out. Right? I was testing this with my pet and I noticed that some hair was coming here into this bottom inlet, and then the pet hair stays here in the filter. Right? Super easy to work like this. I'll just show here the speed, so just press here and start blowing out faster. I have four different speeds here. Let me just show that's working, right? So I have this here just to show here that's working pretty fine. And then I can change the speed, bring it down. You see it works with 4 different speeds, right? Now it's just blowing up with low speed, but still working. And then when I show how loud it is, you see that's not that loud. When I speak, of course, you're gonna see here my voice. My voice goes beyond 60, right? When I stay silent, for example, it's just going to pick it up this device. You see around 40 dBs, okay? Even when I come here and I change the speed here a little bit, let me just stay silent for a while again. So around 45, right? So as you can see, you can speak on a room, for example, and you still can hear people talking because this device is not that loud. I leave this in my living room, for example, because it filters everything from there. It can work with 3,000 square feet, so it's pretty good to grab everything and filter out. And let me just show here more details. Let's say, for example, that you want to control from here from the top. You just have the buttons here, okay? I'm just show first that you have here on the back the sensor. Here's the sensor. And here you have this handle, so you can move from place to place. And here on the top you have the buttons, okay? So you can control everything from here, or you can control from your cell phone. So let me just zoom in here a little bit. You see here that have the controls. Right now it's working in the second stage of the fan. I can also change here to the highest one and back to the lowest one. So super good. Here I have a light button that I can turn on and off. I just show, for example, here that I have the light here in front, right? And then you want to turn it off, for example, because you're like sleeping or something. You don't want to have any lights on the bedroom. You just turn it off here, or you can bring back on. So super easy to use like this. There's a timer for 1 hour, 4 hours, and 8 hours if you want to just work like this. Or you can put here on manual mode or auto mode, and also sleep mode. You can connect here with the Wi-Fi and use advanced features here. Just you can grab all the particles in the air and filter with the HEPA filter. So super easy to work with. And here you have also the QR code that you can scan and have access to the information on the website. And works super great, right? With a good design, as you can see here. Nice design. You can easily open it up and close it down, leaving on a great space that works pretty good. And also use the app, right? Have the app here that you can control everything. See here, for example, they have the quality of the air and also the modes. You can change here from manual, auto, or sleep mode. And control the wind speed, level 1 to 4. So the installation of the app is also very, very easy. It comes with the instruction here on the top. You just scan the QR code and you see how to install the app and make it work, right? And also comes with the user manual with all the information that you need, right? So super, super good. I've been testing this for some time. I like this one. I highly recommend it. You can get yours on Amazon.